How to share WhatsApp group link without the admin. Now, first things first is you'll have to make sure that you're currently running with the updated or the latest version of the WhatsApp application. Go to your Play Store, go to search, look for WhatsApp. Now, from here, you'll be able to know if your WhatsApp needs an updating because there will be an option there that says update. If there is one, just simply click on it and it will automatically load and update by itself. Now, once everything is updated, now I just want to let you know that whether you are the admin or not, there is always a button there that says invite. So all you have to do is access on the group that you would like to share the link with, and then just simply click or press on the group name, scroll down a bit till you find invite via link. Now, all I have to do is press on invite via link, and here, since I am the group admin, I can simply just name anything on the group name. Now, once you click on invite via link, you can choose to copy link, you can choose to share link, choose via QR code, and you can choose send link via WhatsApp. Now, once you have copied this link, you can now go ahead and then paste it to any platforms that you would like a friend to invite you on using WhatsApp or invite an individual to join your group. Now, again, you can do this whether you are the admin or not. That specific information will be visible if you just press on the group name, you scroll down, and just tap on invite via link. So that's it. That's how easy and quick you can share a group link without the admin.